Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get paid on Whop. Alright, let's begin. First, you need to create a Whop account. Simply, get to the official website and sign up for free. To get paid, you'll first need to earn money on Whop. You can do this by building your own community and selling digital products, courses, or any kind of knowledge. Another way is through affiliate marketing, where you refer people to Whop. You can also check out content rewards, which is a popular method involving UGC content and clips. Once you've earned some money, go to your profile, then click on Balance. If there's an available balance, you'll need to set up Whop payments to withdraw. Click on Set up Whop payments, then select your country from the list and click Next. This will take you to Stripe, which handles all payment processing for Whop. As I have already set up my payment, it is showing a different option. But in your case, you just need to click on the Setup button. Then, you will be prompted to enter your email address, then your phone number. Stripe will verify your info with a message and walk you through the sign-up steps. If you already have a Stripe account, it can connect automatically. If not, just complete the process. Once connected, return to your Balance tab and click Withdraw to Bank. Your money will then be sent directly to your linked account. So that's basically how you can get paid on Whop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.